How the information system industry became enterprise software. Aziz Gilani contributor. Share on Twitter. Aziz Gilani is a managing director at Mercury, where he focuses on investments in enterprise SaaS, cloud and data science startups. More posts by this contributor. The true impact of the Snapchat write-down for entrepreneurs. If you were a software company employee or venture capitalist in Silicon Valley before 1993, chances are you were talking about information systems software and not enterprise software. How and why did the industry change its name? The obvious, but perplexing answer is simple: Star Trek, The Next Generation. As befuddling and mind-numbingly satisfying as it is to your local office Trekkie, the industry rebranded itself thanks to a marketing campaign from the original venture-backed system software company, Boole Babbage, now BMC Software. While the term enterprise was used to describe complex systems for years before 1993, everything changed when Boole Babbage signed a 2-year licensing agreement with the then highest-rated show in syndication history to produce an infomercial. Star Trek fans have been talking about this crazy marketing agreement for years, and you can read the full details about how it was executed in Trek Core. But even Trekkies don't appreciate its long-term impacts on our industry. In this license agreement with Paramount, Boole Babbage had unlimited rights to create and distribute as much Star Trek content as they could. They physically mailed VHS cassettes to customers, ran magazine ads and even dressed their employees as members of Starfleet at trade shows. Boole Babbage used this push to market itself as the enterprise automation company. Commander Riker says in the infomercial, just as the bridge centralizes the functions necessary to control the USS Enterprise, Boole's product centralized data processing information to allow centralized control of today's complex information systems. This seemed to scratch an itch that other systems companies didn't realize needed scratching. Not to be outdone, IBM in 1994 rebranded their OS/2 operating system OS/2 Warp, referring to Star Trek's warp drive. They also tried to replicate Babbage's licensing agreement with Paramount by hiring the Enterprise's Captain Picard, played by actor Patrick Stewart, to MC the product launch. Unfortunately, Paramount wouldn't play ball, and IBM hired Captain Janeway, played by actress Kate Mulgrew, from Star Trek, Voyager instead. The licensing issues didn't stop IBM from also hiring Star Trek's Mr. Spock, played by actor Leonard Nimoy, to tape a 5-minute intro to the event. Outside of OS/2, IBM's 1994 announcement list included 13 other enterprise initiatives. Soon, ready for more on this story, visit the news article link.